Yes.
Okay, I'll call this meeting to order. It's Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026. And it's 12 p.m. and we're here to discuss the snowmobile groomer maintenance seminar approval. I talked to Sam Davis, who has indicated that there is a seminar at Tucker. Tucker is the manufacturer of all of our groomers. And this seminar goes over the maintenance of the Tucker and how to fix it and how to, maintain it so that it'll last. So, and the seminar is for 2 people, and the amount is between $3,400 and $3,800. I think this is a good deal, for maintenance. They do it about every 5 years, but I guess they haven't done it in the last 10. So this will be a good opportunity for them to learn about the groomer. Also, I ran it by Timmy, our auditor, and she indicated there is room in the budget. They only spent, they have like 34% left over from last year. So we didn't have a very big snow season last year, so we can afford it. And so I would like to go ahead and authorize that.
Okay.
Also, we will be putting it on a line item on the budget so that it will be a line item in the years to come, even though it's every 5 years. It'll kind of give us a reminder that they need to go every 5 years. So anyway, I would entertain a motion that we approve the expense to go to the Tucker seminar for Sam Davis and another gentleman from the board.
I'll move that we approve the money to send 2 members from the board to this seminar.
I'll second it.
All in favor?
Aye.
There's nothing further. We're adjourned.
Okay.